Hey you, welcome back to my channel. I am Cammielle and I am testing out a new angle of the camera. What do you think? Let me know. So today is a lazy tutorial as well as a little mini tutorial on how I blow dry my hair. You can see my blow dryer is plugged in. It is in the bottom left corner of the screen. And I am going to only use one product, maybe 2.5 or 2, but this is the main course, my conditioner, which is halfway done. I'm doing my usual, making my little tail in the back so there won't be any tangles later for my next wash day. So after that is all prepped, I am just going to take my hair out of my bun and literally just add this to it. Just a conditioner. I strongly don't recommend it, but it's what I felt like it. I did not want to separate my hair, and it was a few days before Christmas, and I thought, oh yeah, I'll do something for my hair for Christmas and not do it now and have to refresh and the hassle. So I didn't do it. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just using whatever's on my hands, spreading it through, scrunch, 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 then separate it into 2 parts to then brush and detangle. And I'm now noticing it's a bit difficult to detangle, i.e. toward the ends, because it's time for a haircut, and I thought I would do that in the next year. And right now I am testing out some water that's a bit funky in a not water bottle. It's the leftover toner I had before. But yeah, little mini break right here, and bring out the trusty old blow dryer. Let it do its thing. So mainly it's on the highest, very hot dial because I want it to be quick so I can get to bed because it's a lot of hair. And as always, blow dry your face if your face is cold. So I mainly go toward the ends. I want the root area to be fully dry as I descend toward the ends. So the root first, then the ends. So it's like all finished. Once I'm done, I put my jammy shirt on, get my hair out of it, and be done. It's not completely dry. The midsections are a bit wet, but I thought to encase it with some hairspray that is completely almost gone. So I thought, why not use it on this lazy day? Because if I use it on a good day, there wouldn't be enough. So I thought, why not? It was only $2 or less. Anywho, that is it. This is my lazy evening. This is what I did several days ago before Christmas. Yeah. And then I almost couldn't stand the fumes of the hairspray, but you know how that can be. It's a bit gruesome and hard on your asthma if you haven't. But I just thought, use it up, give it a bit of a hold, let my hair breathe from the hair product, and so yeah, this is the last thing you'll see of that hairspray last time. But check this out. This is, if you don't know, a shoe brush. What I'm using has never been used at all. It's the other side that was used most, so I washed it, just that part, not the other side, because I didn't get to it. But it's pretty nice. It does great wonders. Strongly recommend it. But yeah, that's it. Like and subscribe and embrace joy. Bye-bye. So I had a little bit of some trouble getting on the counter. Yeah, did not like the fumes. Seeing if I have any pores or dandruff in the front. Smile for the camera, and something was on my face. But yeah, I'll see you later. Bye.